Hi, my name is Wayne. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about manual gear shifting on a W222 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560. The 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550 also had gear or paddle shifters, which is close to the steering wheel. Me, I'm old school. I'm used to, whenever you think of manual gear shifting, or they call it stick shift for some of you old school fellas and ladies. Two-door sports car, the shifter is in the center console, and you had a third pedal down on the floor for the clutch to be able to shift gears. In this car, it's automatic. If you don't do the shifting, the car will automatically shift for you, and that's even in the manual settings. And the reason why it does that, so the the transmission doesn't overheat. So what we're going to do is going to be a very short clip. I'm going to show you how to actually engage it, turn it on, and so you can get the look and feel for it. Me, I'm a little bit spoiled. I like my automatic, the car doing everything for you. But for some of you who want to try it, you can more than likely go ahead. Sometime as you're driving, you're going to see a green arrow. It's going to point up or down. It's going to tell you to either engage in the next gear or to downshift, and it will be either up or down. And I'm going to go ahead and change the views, and I'm actually show you on the steering wheel where these paddle shifters are. Let's go ahead and do that now. You see that gear shifter? It shows negative. This is if you want to downshift. Go ahead and push it back this way to actually downshift. And if you want to upshift, we'll come over here, and you see the paddle shifter with the plus sign. This is to upshift your gear. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and turn on the car and go for a little bit of driving, and show you how to actually make this thing work. So I'm gonna go ahead, find a straight road to actually do this on, and show you how to use the paddle shifter, which is there or which is there. All right, so as you can actually see, I'm driving on a straight road, and if you want to engage the manual gear shifter, you can either hit the plus or the minus sign to actually engage it. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the plus, which is here. And all of a sudden you see M. M stands for manual driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and come to a stop sign. We're going like a straight road, and then we'll test it. All right, so I'm on a straight road. Gonna go ahead and I'm gonna engage it again. And right now it's manual 4. I'm gonna go ahead and increase the speed. And you see the arrow is telling me to shift up. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the plus sign to shift up again. And there it is. I'm at gear 5 or setting 5. Actually slow down. And like I said, if you don't manually shift the gears, the car will do it for you, and that's to prevent overheating. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and slow down, and we're gonna see what it does once I slow down, if we see any kind of arrows or anything like that. All right, so this is what you call a semi-automatic drive, because the car is helping you doing this. It's not like a true stick shift. If it was a true stick shift, you probably want to get a true stick shift. But I guess they put this in this vehicle for the fun of it. But at this price range, yeah, why not? Doing everything and including the kitchen sink. So let's go on a straight drive. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna hit the plus sign just to engage the manual. So right now, let me see if I can speed up a little bit. And you see the green arrow appears. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down a bit. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna hit the negatives. This is what you call downshifting. Go ahead, hit the negative. Now I'm at 4. I'm gonna downshift again. Now I'm at 3. And for those of you who are old school, you can actually downshift, actually stop a car, but I've never been that talented to actually do that. Downshift again. Now I'm at 2. And I'm gonna downshift again. Now I'm at 1. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, hit the plus sign, put it on gear 2. And it's telling me, the arrow is telling me to switch up to gear 3. So that's what I'm doing now. We're gonna come to a full stop. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the, for individual settings. Come out of that, we'll put the car in drive, and then we'll put it in manual drive, and then we'll test it. We'll hit the plus sign and see if it actually comes out of it. Just wait for this car to pass. All right, and let's test it. So right now, the individual drive mode is selected to I. We're gonna go ahead and engage the manual drive select. And right now it's on M4. Let me go down just a little bit more. All right, matter of fact, how I'm gonna actually take it out of the manual, let's see if it works. I haven't really tried it. I'm gonna come to a stop sign. I'm gonna press and hold the plus sign. You see what it actually does. Doesn't seem to really do anything. All right, so right now it put itself back in the drive mode. Let's go ahead and see if the gears shift automatically, and I'm assuming it will. So on D2. It's on D3. It's on D4. It's on D3. So like I said, this is semi-automatic. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the drive select, and I'm gonna put it back to what I'm accustomed to, which is comfort, because I like to be comfortable. All right, so we're back at the starting point. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you learned a lot. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you soon.